I am another image and vision.
Without any adult supervision.
I am in the awkward position
that often silences opposition.
I'm not talking about perfect equality.
There's the Achilles heel of growing inequality.
I am grateful for the fact.
The issue is, how will we react?
I'm foremost interested to make art.
And I promise this is the only pie chart.
People will tell you it's impossible.
I am an example of what's possible.
And I don't know when or how it happened.
A few years ago, my eyes were opened.
I'm not sure what these people think.
The first challenge is to rethink.
There is something to learn from the example of religion.
Like patriotism, or altruism, or religion.
And again, I'm not sure if this pathway was in the system, in the cancer.
This question was so compelling that we decided to explore the answer.
No, I'm not sure I would have necessarily recommended it.
Using DNA in ways that nature never intended.
Without necessarily God and religion involved.
This was an AI controller that was produced and evolved.
But the guy who only knows 4 words and keeps repeating them.
He had no concept of the idea of an algorithm.
As I go in and start working, I'm not sure where I'm going.
So I'm open to the possibilities of not knowing.
I don't know if he did it because he believed.
Originally, I was very pleased and frankly relieved.
No, I don't know how it works.
But beyond the profound federal perks,
I don't know what we're doing
without working our undoing.
And I don't know if there's a stronger kind of effect.
It's not some kind of, embarrassing defect.
I don't know a hell of a lot about fashion.
But the key is that he instilled in me a passion